Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to get World Edit X. This powerful tool is indispensable for anyone serious about creating impressive structures and landscapes in their game world. It dramatically speeds up the building process, allowing you to manipulate thousands of blocks with just a few commands. We will cover the only reliable method to install it, ensuring you can start building efficiently and effectively right away. Get ready to transform your creative work. Before diving into the installation, a few essential preparations are necessary. You must confirm your game version aligns with the World Edit X mod you plan to use, as compatibility is key. Additionally, a mod loader, such as Forge or Fabric, needs to be correctly set up on your system. Finally, always obtain the World Edit X mod file from a reputable, official website to avoid any potential issues or security. With your harvested ingredients, it is time to cook. The mod introduces several new cooking stations, including the cooking pot and the skillet. Use the cooking pot to craft hearty stews and soups, combining multiple ingredients for a single, satisfying meal. The skillet is perfect for frying up eggs, bacon, or even making a quick sandwich. There are over 50 new food items to discover, each offering unique benefits like enhanced saturation or temporary buffs. To verify World Edit X is working, enter your game world. Equip a wooden axe and use it to select two distinct points, marking a region. Then, open your chat and type //set stone to instantly fill that entire selected area with stone blocks. This simple action confirms successful installation. From here, you can explore hundreds of other powerful commands to revolutionize your building experience and create incredible structures with ease.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.